If you want it,
Haitian All-StarZ.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back. Get it on. Everybody got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
About you that just makes you say, I'm just gonna do that?
No fear.
No fear.
A. Belief in your gift. B. True understanding that your office share it. 3. No ego. No business on me, look. We will get dynamite right now.
That's right.
You put 1, 2, and I'm put the sound right now. I'm
slide aside for 1 second, man.
Because music makes me feel good.
Yeah, man.
You know, I do it for that reason, the right reason.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And if you're good at what you do, yeah, the money will come.
That's
but
right.
the money, if that's the first thing that's driving you, I don't know if you're gonna directly hit the people. That's in anything that you do.
That's right. That's right. Respect. That's right. That's right. Hope people are listening out there and they're really paying attention. That's right.
I mean, we all have to eat. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But man,
love what
especially this generation, this particular, the 20s and the 30s, I'm noticing like, and maybe it's because of that economy crash or whatever, but there is this huge consumption, mental consumption of finance, where you can be on a date with someone and all they're talking about is marketing and branding and the next move and how to do it. And I mean, I had to ask someone the other day, like, is there anything else besides money that drives you to talk? Because this is like, there's no balance here. Life is more than money.
Right.
You understand? So like, I'm more of a grassroots type of individual.
No doubt.
Matter of fact, there's this brunch that I do every other week. There's only like 2 more. But it's like a vintage reggae brunch over at Peta. And the only reason why I decided I wanted to do this, because usually I'm in Europe touring with Roy Harper. Jazz.
I remember that, yep.
And this year, I said, you know, I'm going to record. I'm going to put that stuff out. And while I'm in New York, let me just do something for the culture of the scene.
Right.
And I miss that vintage reggae feel, the classic feel. Classic with Dennis Brown and Tennis Star and all that, you know? But I want it in a sexy place. So let's keep it in Soho. And let's make it even sexier. Let's put it on a rooftop.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? With the fancy food, but vintage reggae.
That's right.
And honestly, I'm not doing it for the money.
Right.
I'm doing it for the vibe. Because back then when we were doing everybody move your body, now do it. It was a vibe. It was about the vibe. Everybody wanted to be in the business for the vibe. You can walk in the village right here, running the Tip, running the Common, running the Mose. We used to call him Dante, running the Paz, Kelvin, you know, from De La. And we were just like inspired by creativity and wanting to outdo. I want to outdo you on my record because I want to like impress you as my friend, like Kendrick Lamar said, right? I want to impress you as my friend.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be better than you.
Right.
And that's the level of competition was friendly. That's what the music
You're
industry
cool
was
with me,
about.
I'm gonna bust your ass.
Right, exactly.
Right.
And then everybody, and that's just what it was.
That's right.
So
and it's a groove thing too. You know? Yo, that's my joint, man.
Let your mind relax, my friend, and do it.
Let me tell you something. I play it every time I spin. And hey, Mr. DJ, every time I DJ.
sure do too.
Every time.
That's steady in my repertoire.
So just understand that. Stays on the playlist.
I have to say
every
this.
time.
I don't want to sound
good. It must be good to have a hit that spans time.
No,
Everybody always wants one hit.
Listen.
Ever.
Listen, I just want to say, and I don't want to sound morbid, but we're not here forever, and you're keeping it alive. You're keeping me alive. You're keeping it alive. Like that song, that classic, will outlive all of us because of you. So the kids are gonna hear you play it. All of them, each and every one of your kids is gonna hear them play it. They're gonna play it. So I appreciate, you know, the fact that you're still spinning it.
Of course.
You know, 20 years later.
It's a classic.
20 years later.
And all we ever want, 20 years later.
20 years.
All you ever want in life is a classic. You know what I mean? A classic. So yeah, man. God bless you on that.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yes. 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 Yeah. So listen, we got Renee from Zhané in the building. We still got Team DJayCee. Batting cleanup. So, you know what I mean? And we still got my sister Kim the Muse Charles in the building. Phoenix Refined, you know what I mean? It's Haitian All-StarZ, RadioLily.com. Shoot us a text, y'all, if you have any questions or comments or... we got Melissa Bernier. What up, Melissa Bernier? Shout out to Team DJayCee, DJayCee, Hard Hittin Harry, and DJ1. Melissa Bernier, I see you. Esquire. Thanks for checking in. Alright, y'all, let's get back into the music. And it's Haitian All-StarZ, y'all, RadioLily.com. Once again, 347-450-9660. Once again, 347-450-9660. Thank you so much for touching the mic real quick. And then you're not going anywhere, right?
Not just
I might just jump on the turntables and have you do something live. You know what I'm saying? Right. Yeah. You know how we do. Yeah. Alright? It's Haitian All-StarZ, RadioLily.com.
Haitian All-StarZ.